Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Elementary 30. Quit smoking.
I have to quit smoking, but this job is driving me crazy. And I've tried everything. Everything. I have to quit smoking.
In this lesson, we're going to learn to talk about obligations. What you should do and what you have to do. There are big differences between the two.
God.
Before we watch the movie, let's look at these words. To break a habit. This means to stop doing something. Hooked. This means you can't stop. Another word for this is addicted. She's hooked on smoking. She can't give up.
This job is driving me crazy. Just crazy. I don't want to fix any more light fixtures. Let's fix the light fixture. Zach, you need to fix the light fixture as soon as possible.
Are you ready to watch the movie?
Aren't you going for a smoke break?
Nope, I quit last week.
Really? Good for you. I thought you were hooked.
Well, I was. I smoked a lot for about 5 years, but I thought I should break the habit.
I know exactly what you mean. My doctor said that I had to quit 3 years ago.
So that's why you never smoke.
Yeah, I had to quit, and now I'm glad that I did.
It's tough, though. Don't you ever want to smoke when you feel stressed?
I used to, but then I found some good habits to reduce stress instead.
Oh, really? Like what?
I go for a walk a few times a week, and I'll try and play tennis at least once or twice a month.
And when you do that, you don't want to smoke? You must have a lot of willpower.
Well, I think it just takes time. Replacing bad habits with good habits.
Sounds good to me. I hope to do the same thing.
Does Derek smoke? Does Kai smoke? That's right. Derek doesn't smoke. Kai doesn't smoke. Let's listen to Derek first.
My doctor said that I had to quit 3 years ago.
My doctor told me I had to quit. I had to is the past of I have to. We use have to or had to when something is necessary. Let's look at some more examples to help you understand. I have to wear glasses. Let's now look at the past tense. When I was a child, I had to wear glasses. Had to is the past of have to. Let's look at what Kai said about smoking.
I smoked a lot for about 5 years, but I thought I should break the habit.
I thought I should break the habit. Should. We use should when we think something is a good idea. Let's look at some more examples.
You really quit smoking, it's not good for your health. Well, you know, I gotta bring home money and I gotta keep on working so that I can feed you. But baby, I'm worried about your health. Oh yeah, well, you know what, I'm worried about my job. Oh, but baby, I don't want you to die and stuff like that. Well, we're gonna die in the street anyway. I mean, it's like, you know, back and forth and back and forth and back and forth.
Use either have to or had to or should to fill in the gaps. Remember, have to is for now and had to is the past. We have to buy a parking ticket here. Let's do some more. Smoking is really bad for you. You should quit. 3 years ago, Derek's doctor told him he had to give up smoking.
Okay. That's it. Right when I want to smoke, I can't smoke.
Well done. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We've learnt to talk about obligations using have to and had to and should. Well, I have to go now, but see you again soon. Bye.